This video walks through importing candidate profiles from Clay into Airtable to populate the candidate pool for monitoring. This is the setup stage that feeds profiles into the scheduled monitoring workflow. The Profiles table in Airtable currently shows no profiles with monitoring status. To build the candidate pool, navigate to Clay's Build Candidate Source table. We maintain several tables for different sourcing workflows, but the far right table handles candidate imports. Click the plus button to add new profiles. The interface appears, allowing definition of search criteria or reuse of previous filters. For this demonstration, select 10 new profiles. These profiles arrive in Clay with basic LinkedIn data, but they need enrichment before syncing to Airtable. The enrichment step pulls essential profile information without consuming full credits on detailed data we don't need yet. Click Run to trigger the enrichment process for these 10 profiles. Once enrichment completes, select all 10 profiles. Clay offers a run action that pushes the selected profiles to Airtable via the integration endpoint. Execute this action to transmit the profiles to Airtable immediately. Now switching back to Airtable, the Profiles table now displays all 10 candidates with monitoring status. This status flag signals that these profiles are active in the monitoring queue. The scheduled monitoring job, which runs weekly, scans all profiles with monitoring status to detect any job changes or profile updates. The import process is complete at this point, and these candidates enter the monitoring cycle on the next scheduled run. The import workflow scales linearly. Whether importing 10 profiles or 1,000, the process remains the same. Select profiles in Clay, enrich them to capture baseline data, and sync them to Airtable with monitoring status. The enrichment step deliberately pulls minimal data to preserve Clay credits for the deeper analysis that happens when the monitoring system detects an actual job change. That covers the candidate profile import workflow. The profiles are now active in the monitoring queue and will be scanned by the next scheduled job run.